This is Woody and Chunya. They're in love. Have a very, very touching love story behind these two. Woody is the little brown Chihuahua, Chiweenie guy, and Chunya is one there with the pink collar. And I've had Woody for 5 or 6 years already. And unfortunately, the only person in the world who loves Woody was me, because he was so mean to all the other dogs. He's only about 7 pounds, but it's just, he just hates them. So he had no friends for 6 years other than me. And then I brought home Chunya for foster care because she was really sick. And all of the other fosters I brought home, he pretty much terrorized them and treated them like he didn't want them here. He was mean. I don't know what it was, but there was something about Chunya, and he absolutely fell in love. And he stayed by her side when she was sick, and they started sleeping in the same crate, which Scott nicknamed the honeymoon suite. And you see what she's doing there, how she was kind of biting his neck? She does that to him nonstop. It's kind of, I think it's the way she gives him hickeys. And he lets her. And he's got big like bald spots under his neck where she does that, and he doesn't even care. He just lets her do it. And this is what they do all day long. I mean, it's kind of nice because literally Woody had no friends, none other than me, for 5 or 6 years. And now he's got himself a woman. And I could really sit and watch them play for hours. He'll even let her take his toys, his bones. I don't know, something about that little Chunya. Chunya. You love Chunya. You love her. You love your boyfriend. The two lovebirds.